Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you on how to create and complete your profile on eMobility.careers. eMobility.careers is a job platform provided by DIY Guru where student and professional can explore job opportunity in the EV industry. Click on the first link. Okay, so you can see here the interface of the eMobility.career page. If you are a new user, so click on the join free tab. So here is the you can write all the details like full name and your work email and password and click on the box and create your account. Once your registration is completed, go back to the login page and click on the sign in button. Enter your registered email ID and password. So here you need to upload your updated resume. Simply click on the drop your resume or click to browse. And please make sure your resume is in PDF or doc format and the file size should be under 10 MB. After uploading the resume, click on the upload and parse. And if you do not have a resume right now, you can also click on the fill out your profile manually and add the details step by step or skip for now. Now after uploading your resume, you will see this page. Here the platform automatically extract your detail from the resume such as your name, email, ID, phone number, LinkedIn and summary. Please review the detail carefully and check if everything is correct. If anything is missing or incorrect, you can add it later. And once everything looks good, click on the continue. Okay, so here is the step 4. You can see the job preferences and go to the finish and go to the my profile. Okay, so now look at the top corner of your screen, edit profile. Okay, so this is my dashboard. You track all your activities on the platform. Applied jobs, interview status, offers, hiring status, active applications, mentor sessions, competitions, connections. Whenever you apply for a job, your status will automatically update here. Now go to the edit profile section. Here you will see your profile completion percentage. A complete profile helps recruiter understand your background and skills better. Now let's see what details you should add. Upload a cover page here. Add professional photo. Write a professional headline based on your career interests, for example, EV engineer, battery technology, BMS engineer aspirant. Choose a headline according to your domain and fill the basic details. Complete your personal and professional details such as first name, last name, headline, about section, country, city, location, phone number, LinkedIn URL. If you have a GitHub profile, especially for technical projects, add it here. And if you have a portfolio and website project, so you can mention as well here. So here is the availability frame. If you're looking for an internship or job opportunity, so click on the open to work. So basically my profile is related to HR, so I choose the hiring now. Now complete all the important sections like experience, education, volunteer experience, skills, certifications, award, language. I highly recommend adding your projects and certifications, especially if you are a fresher, because companies often check these sections before shortlisting candidate. And come to the privacy and resume section. Now go to the privacy and so your profile should be on public on my profile option, and please also enable visibility for verified employers, so recruiter and companies can view your profile. So you will choose here verified employer only. Once your profile is completed, go to the feed section. Here you can post the EV related content, your project, certifications, learning achievements. Now go to the job section. Here you can explore multiple jobs opportunities. You can check whether your profile is matches the role and apply directly. So now click on the network section and you can connect with your classmate, colleague, recruiter and industry professional. Like here you can see I have received 3 requests here and I have sent 3 requests and I have 19 connections. So networking is important for your career growth. So try to build meaningful connection. Overall, eMobility.career is a complete professional platform where you can build your profile, explore opportunities, and connect with the EV industry. So my request to everyone is to complete your profile with at least 70% completion. And once your profile is completed, please share your profile link with me on DM for verification. Thank you all.